is the annual visual and functional inspection of all the equipment, all the PPE, including rigging equipment, helmets, harnesses, carabiners, ropes, all the textiles. All the equipment has RFID tags. We use Easy ID, which makes it super easy to inspect and then scan in our equipment, so we know that everything that's been scanned is good for use to be issued to the employees. So we're also cleaning the carabiners, and we brush out all the equipment. We do a visual inspection, so we look over the spine, we test gait, and then we do a functional test, so open, close from every different angle. So visual and functional inspection of all the equipment, and we found at least 2 carabiners which had a bent gait on them or a bent nose, which prevented them from closing properly. And so we've quarantined that equipment so that doesn't get used again. We've retired probably 3 ropes, took the scissors out and cut them just because they had a number of frayed strands or cut strands, probably from spikes. So we've cut those and we'll have to resplice those tomorrow.